Welcome back. Today we are inspecting for you another beautiful home. It is a trending home tour with beautiful interior and exterior outlook. All four sides are fenced and gated. The landscaping in the front yard is beautiful with cement block. Large open sit-out is designed here. As we step inside, we get a stylishly furnished and elegantly designed drawing room with LED bulbs and hanging lights. Here also a adorable garden area provided, it is giving a soothing view. Next we finding the dining area. A normal size table and chairs have been placed here. White color basin and storage cabin were used to create the washing area. Let's check the staircase area. Concrete steps and wooden frame with glass railings are used here. Moving on, we entering the family living area. Sofa set, tea table and the stylish TV unit are arranged here. There is a study area set up under the staircase. We proceeded into the courtyard. A eye-catching garden set between the living room and bedroom. Let's take a look at the bedroom. 3-bedroom is designed in the ground floor. This is the first and most spacious bedroom. Exceptional interior design work has been done. The bed head, curtains and chairs are elegantly arranged with pastel shade. A lovely wardrobe placed here. The ceiling work adds a nice touch to the room. This is a bath-attached bedroom with a dressing area. It is a well-designed bedroom. Bed, wardrobes, study table and all other settings are designed very beautifully. Next we step into the third bedroom. It is specially designed for the kids. There is a common toilet provided here. Next, we'll check the kitchen. This is a modular kitchen with stunning arrangements. Cream and wooden color combination used here. Wall tile and cupboards look fantastic together. Next we are going to check the first floor. Wall is beautifully decorated with indoor plantation. Sofa set and a beautiful foyer area arranged here. Let's take a look at the interior design. Ceiling work done with hanging bulbs and LED spotlights. This is the last bedroom of this beautiful home. Double cot bed, curtains and wardrobe set here. This is also a bath attached bedroom. Now we're completely checked this luxury home. This is an amazing home design. If you enjoyed this home tour, please like the video and leave a valuable comment in the comment box.